We are at 206 Catawba, the Hall residence. We have a one-story gable style roof with 20-year composition shingles, predominant pitch of 412. We've got 5-inch gutters. There's no gutter guards. There's no drip edge. We do have felt. There are no valleys. We've got standard aluminum ridge vents. There's no collateral damage on the ground elevation, and the aluminum ridge vents are clean. We've got a moderate amount of grain loss here. I would assume this roof is over 21 years of age. Grain loss shows the age. Some areas are really significant, especially on the front slope, which is the east. A little odd that the east is showing the most weathering, but here's the front slope. So that's the east. And then the back slope, which is the west. We do have some storm related damages. We've got some wind damage. There's 4 on the front. There's also some prior repairs. Front slope, I think you can see okay in the video. This middle section right here looks like it's been repaired. It's been a long time ago, but you can see the difference in color and grain loss. This little middle section here, unless it was just a different batch of shingles during installation. There is no actual satellite dish, it's just the mounting plate for it. Then the back slope, similar situation. We've got 23 wind damaged on the back. I'll show you these couple first. That one, and those 3. Got a small prior repair up there. But this color of shingle has less grain loss. It's very similar to the repaired front slope, so it might be a replacement, with the exception of this little area here where you see all the wind damage. With the exception of those 3 out in the field, there's a prior repair here, but then there's a pretty defined line where it looks like newer shingles versus older shingles. These older ones have virtually no grain left on them, but it's just a small section at the very end of the roof. I don't know why the whole roof would have been replaced with the exception of this little area, but that's what appears to maybe have happened, because this over here has a whole lot more grain holding on. It's a different color as well. A lot of these that I've marked as wind damage are just missing pieces. I have seen the pieces off of these little corners laying on the roof, like right there's one. That's why they've been marked as wind. Again, we're at 206 Catawba, the Hall residence. We do have 23 wind damage shingles on the back, 4 wind damage shingles on the front. There are no other storm related damages to this roof. And that is everything that is on this roof.